What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Man, I want to come back with another video. Hey man, say man, look man, Up Next satin line beanie Mal in the building. You know what I'm saying? I know this one is this one done been through some stuff. You know what I'm saying? I've been rocking this one for some time now, probably like some months or whatever. You know what I'm saying? But we have sold out of our second drop of the satin line beanies, man, which is very huge, which is very important. I sold out of all colors, black. We had the black, we had the icy blue, we had the money green, we had the purple dream, and we had the retro red, alright? And so I had read up on the black, and we sold out the black again. I sold out of so many blacks, I thought I didn't have any blacks left until I seen this one, until I had this one in my bag. So I still got some to advertise for you guys on TikTok. Shout out to the people on TikTok who've been purchasing. Shout out to all my supporters out there from YouTube who've been purchasing, on Instagram who've been purchasing. And I would just like to just say shout out to y'all first off, because I'm just so thankful that we have, I think this is our second drop. We have sold out our second drop. Alright, so coming in with the third drop, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a pre-sale. So I'm doing the pre-sale currently right now. So if you didn't get you a satin line beanie, man, and you need one so bad. You need one for your hair, you need one for your locks, you need one for your dreadlocks, whatever you want to call them. You need one for your waves, you need one for your curly hair. Yo, go pre-order you one right now so I can order you one. I can let the manufacturers know, like, hey yo, I need this amount because he wants one. Alright, so this pre-order won't be going on for too long, but I'm just trying to give everybody a chance, so when they finally come in, I can just go ahead and ship it out to you guys. I don't have to advertise to you guys or nothing like that. I'll be already done advertised the pre-orders and things of that nature. So the people who go into the pre-orders right now, y'all are the very first people to grab on to this third drop. All right, so this is my first time ever doing the pre-order or anything of that nature, because I usually wait till it gets here and things of that nature. But a lot of people have been asking me for them, and I don't just want to keep them people waiting. So I did a pre-order to make sure that you guys, the people that want one, actually get one. All right, so I did not record the process, but I did take pictures of the process. It should be over here anywhere, anything like that. But this video is specifically to the people who have or are doing a clothing brand, or starting your own brand, starting your own whatever, right? You got your clothing brand, you starting your own brand, period, right? It don't have to be clothes, it can be anything. Like right now, I sell the satin line beanies, the Up Next satin line beanies. First link in the description, right? But you could be selling pants, keychains, underwear, anything that you like to wear, anything that you love to wear, anything that you feel passionate about, man, just sell them. You know what I'm saying? Just sell them, because I personally believe in ownership. I personally believe in equity. I personally believe in ultimately investing back into yourself, believing in yourself. That's what I believe in. That's what I stand for, and that's what I hope my influence is doing to other people, to seeing like, yo, I could do it too. Like for instance, right, I started my brand out selling out of the brown envelopes that you get at Office Depot, whatever you want to call them, because it's somewhere to start. All right, that's one reason, right? It's somewhere to start. A lot of people, they're gonna make excuses and be like, yo, like, how do I even ship the product? I don't have my own custom bags. Listen, man, what they say, like Microsoft, Amazon, all them folks, they started in a garage. You know what I'm saying? You look at them now, they got buildings and things of that nature, but they started in the garage. All right, so the main reason I'm coming over here and just bringing all this information back to y'all, giving y'all all this positive energy, is so when I actually get to that height, y'all like, damn, like y'all can actually go back to these videos and see like, okay, he started from the brown envelopes, so I can too. He did it, I can do it too. This is why I'm making these types of videos, because come on, bro, we already know it's destined for me. You know what I'm saying? It's destined for me. You know what I'm saying? So when you go back and you watch the videos from a couple months from now, from a year from now, from 2 years from now, it's gonna be like, okay, he started it like this, I can do something around that. All right, they always say success leaves trails. All right, so if you ever trying to study somebody, if you personally like that influencer, go back and see like what they did. You know what I'm saying? Success always leaves trails, it always leaves footprints. All right, so but yeah, another reason I'm coming to y'all with this video is so I can just stay consistent with YouTube. I'm doing my thing on TikTok, I'm doing a little something on Instagram, things of that nature. But I really just want to provide value on YouTube in a long version form. And yeah, just come to y'all like that. So right, that's the first thing, right? The first thing is to just start. The second thing is to believe in yourself. All right, believe in yourself. Just start. All right, so just start believing in yourself. Either one can go first. All right, so but to start, you have to believe in yourself, correct? So when you believing in yourself, that means you're taking risk. Okay, you're putting stuff on the line. All right, you're just not talking about it, you're actually being about it. All right, high risk, high rewards. All right, we don't think about failure. Okay, we're not thinking about failure, because every time I think I've failed, I've really learned the lesson from that failing, because it's not really failure and it's not really a loss. You really just take lessons in life. All right, that's what you got to understand. Implement that in your head, put that in your head, that you are learning lessons, because without trying, without losing, when it's really not losing, it's learning. All right, without doing all these things, man, you're not gonna try. You know what I'm saying? You're not gonna try. Like if you fall down, like imagine you was trying to ride a bike, right? Imagine you was trying to ride a bike and you didn't know how to ride the bike. When you got on the bike, you just start pedaling, you start and you fail. You know what I'm saying? You fall off the bike because you don't know really how to steer the bike. You don't know how to really keep your balance. You don't know just to keep pedaling. But what you do is, right before you fall, what you do, you kick out your leg to make sure that you don't fall on your face and you don't fall off the bike. That's how like this entrepreneur junk is, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? Go hard, kick out that second leg. Make sure that you don't, like, if you need the income, man, get a job, bro. Get a job. Ain't nothing wrong with a job, bro. You feel me? Ain't nothing wrong with getting money, period. You want to do DoorDash? See, it's so many hustles out here. You can do it. You feel me? You could do it. You can start your own brand. It's so many ways to get money. You can do it. Okay? And I'm talking to my younger self too, because I used to just feel like, yo, like let me just make a YouTube video. Like let me just do this. Let me do this. Listen, man, do everything that you want. Like I'm even coming out with I'm most likely coming out with my own ebook, how to start your YouTube channel and things of that nature. You feel me? Just to give people more value, add more value to life. You feel me? So other people can do what I'm doing, because I know a lot of people that grew up with me. You feel me? They probably grew up with me. They probably seen me when I was younger. They probably seen like the whole process. Like it's a lot of people out there who say like, yo, like I remember you in 2018. I know. You know what I'm saying? I was probably like living with my mama or living with my parents or probably sleeping on the floor. You know what I'm saying? But now look at me. Now look at me, you know what I'm saying? Now look at my team, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my girl, shout out to my girlfriend, like, you know what I'm saying? Just always having my back, always having that support system. All right, so another thing is, man, in life, you cannot do everything by yourself. A lot of these people, they say self-made, but that's cap. Nobody in the world was self-made. Apple wasn't self-made. Microsoft wasn't self-made. Amazon wasn't self-made. Rick Ross wasn't self-made. Meek Mills wasn't self-made. A lot of these people are not self-made. So everybody is not, nobody in this world is self-made. Everybody had to have a team behind them, had to have a person behind them, had to have something behind them to hold the structure up. So get out of that mindset of being self-made. Now, in the beginning stages like I am right now, right? You may have to ship orders. Like me personally, I don't have nobody I'm not paying anybody right now to ship my orders. I'm not paying anybody right now to edit this YouTube video. I'm not paying anybody right now to to do anything. I'm not paying anybody to do my thumbnail. The only thing that I probably paid somebody to do was do like a banner or do some thumbnails here and there. But other than that, man, you do have to wear multiple satin line beanies hats. You do have to wear multiple hats when you're like starting up your own brand and things of that nature. So don't get caught up into the things of, I gotta hire this person, nah, do it. Anything you got in your mind, just do it, okay? Just do it, all right? I ain't trying to copy Nike or anything like that, man, but just remember you up next. That's all I gotta say. But yeah, man, I'm about to make me some food because I'm hungry. Yeah, I just had to hop on the camera because I know I didn't get back with y'all yesterday. So I'm definitely gonna put out this vlog. It's like a raw, uncut vlog. I'm definitely gonna put out this vlog, and then I'm gonna put out probably like a reaction video or something. Oh my god, I still got crust in my eyes from last night. I'm telling y'all, man, I was up going crazy. It took me 2.5 hours. I want to say 3 hours. It took me 3 hours to complete all the orders, okay? And I know y'all might be thinking like, yo, completing orders, running the business is very simple, but it's very different to me, okay? It's something new to me, all right? So, and it may be something new to y'all too, so I encourage y'all to do research, number one. Number two, don't be afraid to purchase courses. Don't be afraid to purchase courses, all right? You need to know, all right? And the best way to know and to avoid a lot of people's mistakes is to buy their brain. Buy a piece of their brain. That's what I call buying courses. You buying a piece of somebody's brain. You feel me? That's when I come out with my course. Oh, it's gonna go crazy because y'all buying a piece of my brain. It may not be tangible like a course or an ebook or anything like that, but you need those things to direct you in life. Just like a basketball player need a coach, need a basketball coach. He needs a basketball trainer if he want to be the best. You feel me? He need a trainer. You feel me? Just like a football player, he need a football trainer. He need a football coach. You feel me? If he want to be the best, if he want to put in that extra work, he gonna pay for him a personal trainer. You know what I'm saying? He may pay for him a weightlifting trainer. Man, LeBron James probably got so many trainers you don't even know about, but you think he and that bitch dribbling the basketball every day. Dribbling that bitch every day. Think he just, you know what I'm saying, practicing it by himself. Nah, this man got a whole team behind him. That's why he one of the greats. So yeah, man, I just want to lay that knowledge on y'all. You know what I'm saying? Leave this video raw and uncut for y'all. And I just want to, main thing, just to say I appreciate y'all and like just believe in yourself and remember you up next. All right? Catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.